How do I roast for cold brew? What grind size is best?
How long should my coffee steep?
What makes better nitro?
It can be challenging to know how to start a cold brew project, since there are so many variables to consider. The good news is, there's a simple way to find what you need. Most of us know that specialty coffee is cupped to assess quality. But did you also know that you can, and should, cup it cold? Cupping your cold brew will tell you more about how each coffee will perform when used with a number of cold brew applications. It's perfect for finding the optimal dwell time, dialing in roast profiles, and creating craft beverage recipes. Cold brew extraction methods produce different flavor profiles than hot water extraction methods, which impacts flavor as well as other physical and sensory attributes. Some flavors may be muted, while others may be amplified or transformed entirely. These variations can't be uniformly predicted from one coffee to the next. This idea sounds insignificant, but it's actually an important distinction for coffee professionals. The cold brew process can reveal coffee bean characteristics about varietal, microclimate, careful crop tending, processing method, and roast. But knowledge of these characteristics is at its most valuable when each brew has been assessed and the findings recorded. This information helps coffee professionals better understand sensory qualities, compile tasting notes, cup scores, and choose coffee and roast profiles for specific applications. Fortunately, Toddy has developed a suite of cold brew cupping tools to help standardize the cold brew cupping process and capture the details. To leverage existing knowledge related to cupping, Toddy adapted the traditional SCA cupping protocol and form to align with cold brew characteristics. When cold brew cupping is performed in accordance with the Toddy cold brew cupping protocol and form, coffee professionals gain access to an informative and impactful tool. One that efficiently shifts the cold brew conversation from, "Do I like this cold brew?" to, "In which application will this cold brew really shine?" To learn more about cold brew cupping, visit coldbrewcupping.com.